Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields coming to you from behind the camera today. And guess what? Today's my birthday and I want to give you guys a gift. So I made a free download of my 4 favorite must-have flowers to grow in your garden. So I thought about what flowers I love growing here on the farm, and I thought about the ones that bring me the most joy, that I found the most beautiful, and the ones that are the easiest to grow. And what I did was I wound up making a very short PDF download that you guys can download for free. And what I'll do is I'll put it in the descriptions in my Instagram bio, and I'll put it in descriptions below, and you can just download it for free and check them out. So have a great weekend, Flower Tribe. And I want to thank you guys for always joining me here on my channel and on my YouTube channel. And I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your comments. And I'm just so happy to have you all in our Flower Tribe. And have a great weekend, everybody. And I will see you guys in the next video.